Hello everyone, in this video we'll be discussing about loops in Blade template. So the plan is to show some datas in our home page via Blade loop. Previously we created this home page, right? So let's go to our code editor. In here at our home route we will take some arrays because we will be looping those arrays in our Blade template. So let's take some arrays. I will call this blogs. Then I will take a multi-dimensional array. In here, let's say there will be a title. Let's say I will say it title 1, body, now let's copy this array, make more of them. That will be enough. Let's change some text. Okay, now we will pass this array to our home blade. We know how can we pass data in Blade. We'll use compact for this, compact, then we will declare our variable name, it's blogs, right? So now in our home.blade.php, in the main section, in here we will take some bootstrap card. Let's say I will take a row. In row, let's say I will take mg4 card body. Now this is a simple bootstrap card, you can see. Now here we will give a h2, our heading will go here and the body will be p tag. Let's say I will give some lorem here. Let's remove those. Okay, let's check it out. We can see here is a bootstrap card. Let me give some margin on the top, 95. That will do the work. Okay, it's looking great. Now we passed our array in our Blade file, right? So let's see how can we loop that array in our Blade. Previously I talked about Blade directives, right? And here you can use all the PHP loops in your Blade file also. Basically all the most used tags in PHPs are available in Blade also. Like if I want to write a for each loop in Blade, you will write it like @ then for each. You can see my text editor is suggesting me because we installed some plugin before, if you recall. If I click in for each, you can see it give me a snippet like the for each will start with @ for each, then the brackets. Here we will put our variable and then the loop in will go like this, @ in for each. You have to remember this, no matter what kind of directive you write, like let's say for, let's say we want to take a for loop, it will go like that. You have to always end it like this, end then your tag name for, like this tag name is 4, so it will end like in4, right? So that's it. Let's loop our array. And here we will take a for each loop, right? In for each we passed blogs in our this home view, right? So we are in the home view, so let's give this variable name blogs, and here it will be, let's say I will call it blog. It's similar to for each that we use in PHP. Okay, so let's copy this div into my for each, and if I go to my front end and refresh, you can see now we have multiple cards, right? Now we will change our headings and description. For that, we know how can we echo anything in Blade. That will be double curly braces, and I will say blog, and I want to access this title, right? So let's copy the title and pass it as a key, and same here, let's change it double curly braces, and we will say blog, and then that will be blog, sorry, that will be body, right? Now let's check out our front end, refresh. You can see our loop is working. Here is the titles, and we are getting the body also. So basically we are passing a array, right? So that's why we have to access it like a array. We have to pass a key name that will access our variable. If we had passed a collection, we could have just do it like this, like normal how we access a object. For now, let's go with array. Now let's do the same thing with the for loop. I will be removing the for each loop, and here we'll say aggregate 4, and we can see the suggestion here. After clicking, I can say for starting a for loop you have to say aggregate 4, then for end you have to say end 4. As I told you, all the ending of the Blade directives will be like this, end then the name of the directive. So let's copy this, or you can say move this block of code inside 4, right? Now here in the bracket you can write normal PHP stuff, like I will take initial variable I, then let's assign it a value, then I is less than. Now we have to add a range. For that we will be counting our array length. For that we can use PHP's basic function count. For it, let's paste our variable name here. Okay, then we will increment it I plus plus, sorry, right? Now we have to change our array accessing. We will be not access our array like this anymore because we are not using for each. So for that I will change blog with blogs, then I will add here I, then here also I, we are passing I as a key, right? Now let's go to our front end and refresh. You can see our cards still, you can see it's working. So that's how you can use loops in your blades. Obviously there are also like while loop, do while loop you can use, but it's totally up to you. But for now, for and for each will do the job for us, and we will discussing more about blade directives in our next videos. Don't need to worry, there are a ton of blade directives that will make your life more easy to work with PHP in your HTML. And for this video, that's it. See you at the next one.